Right, this is how you convert Denary numbers into hexadecimal. So say for example we have our number 302. You first use some common sense to figure out which units you'll need to use. So for 302, this 3-digit number, we're probably going to need 3 digits of hex as well.
Continue.
So then we go to the third column in hex, and that's the values of 16 squared, which is 256. And we see how many times 256 goes into 302. And it only goes once, and we have 46 left. So then we take 46 and we go to the next column of hex, and that's in multiples of 16. And 16 goes in twice. 16 times 2 is 32. 46 minus 32 is left with 14. And then we take 14 to the units column of hex, and then we just have 14. And then that's our number. So we have 1 256. So in the third column, we have a 1. We have 2 of 16. In the second column, we have 2. And then finally, in the units column, we have 14, which is an E in hex. So 302 in hex is 12E.
Okay, so this is how to convert hexadecimal into Denary. So right here we have a little number line from 0 to 15, and as you can see, this is Denary, and this is your hexadecimal conversion. So from 0 to 9, it's in regular numbers, but as you can see, from 10 to 15, it goes in alphabets. So from A to F. That's because in hex, you can't have a 2-digit number like 10, for example, in hexadecimal. So that's why we use the letters as digits. So here is how to convert your hexadecimal number into Denary. So first, what you do is you get your number. So for example, we have 12E. So the first number, so the one furthest to the left, let's say we only have 2 digits. So the first number, so the number to the left, if it's only 2 digits, you times that number by 16, and then you times the second letter or number by its corresponding number on the Denary number line. So right here, you can see it's 14, and then that, because E is 14, and you just times that by 1. If you have a 3-digit hexadecimal number, then you times this number, the one furthest to the left, by 16 squared, so 256. And see, since 1 equals 1 on the number line, it's just 1 times 256, which is 256. You add up all 3 numbers, and that is your number in Denary.